This week's Artist in Nature journal activity is called Food Web Frenzy. After watching Nate's video on nature in your neighborhood, I was really excited and inspired to create a collage in my journal of all the animals I could find in magazines that I had, and also the animals that I named in my list of species that I could find in my backyard. So I took my list and found pictures to match, and what I couldn't find in a magazine, I drew right onto my journal page. After I finished gluing and taping all my pictures to my page, I looked back at nature in your neighborhood to refresh my memories on all the different levels of food webs, including producers, decomposers, and then primary, secondary, and tertiary consumers. I then went back to my journal and tried to label each species with which level they belong to as best as I could, and I drew lines to connect the species together. So now the challenge for after completing your journal page is this. What would happen if you would take one of these things away? Who knows? I know for my food web, everything seems so interconnected. So if one of my species in this food web was gone, I think a lot of bad things could happen. Maybe another species would disappear and another species wouldn't have the food that it relies on. I don't know. So that's my challenge for you. Think about what would happen if one of these species was gone, and also think about how we as people influence these things. All right, so think about those questions, and you can journal about them too. Please check out Nature in Your Neighborhood with Nate, and also please visit the full activity page for Artists in Nature at dudenslearningcenter.org/artisan-nature. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a good one. Bye.